everyone. In this video, we'll be sharing with you activities to develop logical thinking skills to your little ones. Please click the subscribe button down below if you're new to our channel. Here are those activities: matching, sorting, sequencing, patterns and puzzles, and Sudoku. For this video, it's all about matching activities. When letting children do some matching activities, it is better to use real objects or models to make the activity hands-on and engaging. If you have children as young as 1 year old, you need to show or model how the activity is done to ensure success. I made this activity when Kyla was still 1 year old, and up until now, she enjoys this, in which we pretend to order different flavored ice creams. When doing this activity, I recommend that you talk to your child. Ask them questions about the colors of the ice cream or their favorite flavors to make it more meaningful. This is another DIY activity that I made Kyla when she was 2 years old. To start with this activity, the child needs to match the right colored shape to the pattern. This develops their concentration as they need to match two things, the right shape and the right color. To add difficulty, I also made this pattern with different shapes and colors. This is another shape matching activity. If your child is young as 1 year old, you can start with 3 shapes and gradually increase the number of shapes that they need to match. This is another activity from her Toddler Learning folder. I'll be putting a link down below on the description box for you to download it for free. I made the activity simple and plain to avoid distractions. And when your child is able to master those easy matching color activity, then you can introduce those fancy colored pictures for matching. If your child have mastered all the letter sounds of the alphabet, then you may challenge them with this activity. Well done. This is a free printable I got from mummasdiaries.com. Again, this activity develops the child's concentration, visual perception, and language. This also trains your child to have longer attention span as they accomplish the activity in one setting. This is the last matching activity that we'll be sharing with you in this video. There are picture cards and models of insects that the child needs to match. It is easy, fun, and engaging as you talk about facts of these insects. That's it, everyone. Watch out for the next part of this series coming soon next week. Thanks for watching. See you next time.